May bagong donut sa Krispy Kreme. Cheese-filled dough snacks. May 3 sweet and savory flavors to choose from. Doritos Nacho Cheese, Ruffles Sour Cream and Onion, and Cheetos Cheddar Jalapeno. As fans of Frito-Lay products, we couldn't wait to try them, so umorder kami agad via GrabFood. First, yung White Choco and Doritos Nacho Cheese. Yung unang donut namin, walang filling. Kaloka, diba? Puti na lang yung second Doritos donut na we got, may cheese filling na. In-expect namin na ito yung pinaka-flavorful sa lahat kasi sobrang malasa yung Doritos, diba? But out of the 3, siya yung sakto lang yung lasa ng saltiness and overall Doritos flavor. Next is yung Ruffles Sour Cream and Onion. And oh my God, ito yung pinaka-favorite namin out of the 3. Unang kagat, may burst of flavors na agad sa bibig mo. So we were pleasantly surprised kasi ang sarap ng combo ng cheese filling, ng white choco, and yung sour cream and onion flavors ng Ruffles. Nakaka-addict siya actually. Finally, yung white choco and Cheetos Cheddar Jalapeno flavor. Kalasa niya yung jalapeno dynamite poppers, pero wala naman siyang anghang. Yung lumpiang jalapeno chili with cheese filling, medyo ganun ang lasa nito. Mouth-watering. If love mo yung Cheetos jalapeno, magugustuhan mo rin tong mild kick and salty goodness in every bite ng donut na to. Ayun, so nagustuhan naman namin silang tatlo, which I didn't really expect. Naapa-order pa nga ako ng original glaze kasi baka ako di namin magustuhan. Pero overall, we love the 3 new flavors, lalo na yung Ruffles and Cheetos jalapeno flavors. Try nyo na rin kasi they're available for a limited time only. Let us know which flavor yung bet nyo, ah.